Welcome to the listening channel of Peak English. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a simple and fun conversation at a pizza restaurant. In this video, you will follow a short story about ordering pizza in English. You will learn useful pizza vocabulary. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So, please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's listening challenge. What is the most famous pizza in America? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Amelia, wait. I am a little nervous.
Why? What is wrong, Alec?
I want to order pizza today, but in English. I have never done that before.
Oh, do not worry at all. English at pizza shops is very simple.
Are you sure? I do not know what to say to the waiter.
I am sure. You only need a few short phrases. That is it.
A few short phrases? Really?
Really. Most people say the same things every time. It is almost the same every time.
Okay. So, what should I say first?
When the waiter asks for your order, you can say, "I would like a pizza, please."
I would like a pizza, please. That does sound easy.
See? That is the most important phrase. After that, the waiter will ask you some simple questions.
Questions? What kind of questions?
Like what kind of pizza you want, or what size you want, like small, medium, or large.
Oh, I know those words. They are very simple words.
Exactly. And they will also ask what toppings you want on your pizza.
Toppings? What does that mean exactly?
Toppings are the food they put on top of the pizza, like meat, cheese, or vegetables.
Ah, I understand. So, I just need to choose my pizza type, my size, and my toppings.
Yes, that is it. The waiter will help you. They will ask the questions, so you just answer.
Ah, so I do not have to say everything at once?
No, not at all. It is like a conversation, step by step.
That is good to know. Okay, I think I can do it. Let us go inside the restaurant.
That is the spirit. I will be right next to you the whole time.
Wow, there are so many things on the menu. I do not know what to choose.
Do not worry. You do not need to read everything on the menu. Just pick one kind of pizza you like.
Huh, but there are so many words I do not understand.
That is okay. Even I do not read the whole menu. Let us look at the sections together.
Okay, I am ready to look at the menu.
Look at this first section here. It says New York style pizza.
New York style? What kind of pizza is this?
New York style pizza is very popular. In fact, it is the most famous pizza in America.
Oh, it is the most famous pizza in America? That is very interesting. But what makes it special?
The crust is very thin.
Thin crust.
Yes, the bread part at the bottom is thin. And the slices are very, very big. People usually fold the big slice in half to eat it.
Folded in half? That sounds huge.
It is huge, but it is very delicious.
I like thin crust. What is the next kind of pizza?
The next one is called Chicago style pizza.
Chicago style. How is this one different?
It is completely different from New York style. Chicago style has a very thick crust.
Thick crust.
Yes, it is very deep, like a pie. They bake it in a deep pan.
Like a pie? Does it have a lot of cheese?
Yes, it has a massive amount of cheese. The cheese is at the bottom and the tomato sauce is on top.
The sauce is on top of the cheese? That is very strange.
It is different, but many people love it. It is very heavy and filling.
It sounds very heavy. I might not be able to finish it.
That is okay. Let us look at the next one. This is Detroit style pizza.
Detroit style. What kind of pizza is this one?
This one is shaped like a rectangle.
A rectangle? Not a circle?
No, it is not round. It is baked in a rectangular pan. The best part is the edges. The cheese goes all the way to the edge and gets very crispy.
Crispy cheese edges? That sounds absolutely amazing.
It is very good. The crust is thick, but it is very light and fluffy inside.
So, New York is thin and big. Chicago is thick and deep like a pie, and Detroit is rectangular with crispy edges.
You understand perfectly. You are learning so fast.
Thank you. What else is on the menu?
Here, you can build your own pizza. First, you choose your crust.
It says thin crust, thick crust, and stuffed crust. What is stuffed crust?
Stuffed crust means they put hot cheese inside the edge of the pizza.
Cheese inside the crust? That sounds incredible.
It is very popular. After the crust, you choose your sauce.
Tomato sauce, white garlic sauce, and barbecue sauce. I think I just want regular tomato sauce.
Classic tomato sauce is always a good choice. Now the most important part is the topping.
There are so many toppings here. I do not know all these words.
Let us go through them slowly. This section is for meat.
Pepperoni. What is pepperoni?
It is a type of spicy red sausage. It is the most popular topping in the world.
Okay, pepperoni. Sausage, bacon, ham, and chicken. I know all of those meats.
Great job. Now look at the vegetables.
Mushrooms, onions, green peppers, and black olives. I do not like black olives.
That is fine. You only order the toppings you want.
So I can put pepperoni and mushrooms on my pizza?
Yes, you can mix anything you like. Or you can choose from the specialty pizzas.
What are specialty pizzas?
They are pizzas that the restaurant already designed, like the Meat Lover's Pizza or the Veggie Supreme. You do not have to choose the toppings, they do it for you.
That sounds much easier. But I think I want to build my own today. I want to practice my English.
I am very proud of you, Alex. Okay, let us practice your order. First, say hello.
Hello.
Next, tell them what kind of pizza you want.
I would like a New York style pizza, please.
Then, tell them the size.
A medium size, please.
Now, tell them your topping.
With pepperoni and mushrooms, please.
Perfect. Try saying it all together now.
Okay, here I go. Hello. I would like a medium New York style pizza, please. With pepperoni and mushrooms.
That was excellent. You are totally ready.
Oh, look, the waitress is coming to our table.
Just take a deep breath. You can do this.
Hi there. Welcome to the Pizza House. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. Hello, I would like a medium New York style pizza, please.
A medium New York style pizza. And what toppings would you like on that?
With pepperoni and mushrooms, please.
Pepperoni and mushrooms. Would you like to add extra cheese for $1?
No, thank you. That is all.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much. I will put that order in for you.
Thank you.
I will be right back with your drinks.
I did it. I actually ordered my pizza in English.
You did an amazing job. See, it was easy, right?
Yes, much easier than I expected. The waitress was very nice too.
Wait staff at restaurants are usually very friendly. They hear these orders all day, so they understand everyone. Even if your English is not perfect, they will understand you.
That is really good to know. I was worried about making mistakes, but it was totally fine.
Exactly. Making mistakes is okay. The important thing is to try.
Wait, Amelia, did you order your food yet?
No, I have not ordered yet. There is another waiter coming to take my order. Here he comes now.
Hello. How are you doing today?
Hello. I am doing great, thank you.
What can I get for you today, miss?
I would like a small Chicago-style pizza, please.
A small Chicago-style pizza. Excellent choice. What toppings for you?
Just extra cheese and sausage, please.
Extra cheese and sausage. Would you like a side salad with that?
No, that is all for me, thank you.
Perfect. Your pizzas will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Sounds great. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Wow, you ordered so fast. You sound like a native speaker.
Thank you, Alec. It just takes practice. Soon, you will order exactly like that.
I hope so. Today really helped me a lot. I learned about New York, Chicago, and Detroit pizzas. I learned about crust, sauce, and toppings. And I learned how to speak to the waitress.
You learned the menu and the English at the same time. That is really great.
Let me say the words one more time just to practice. Crust, sauce, toppings, pepperoni, mushroom.
Perfect pronunciation.
I would like a medium pizza, please.
Excellent. You remember everything perfectly. You are ready to order by yourself next time.
I think so too. Next time, I want to try something different. Maybe the Detroit style pizza with the crispy edges.
That is easy too. Just say, I would like a Detroit style pizza, please.
I would like a Detroit style pizza, please. Nice. I can do that easily.
And remember, it is always okay to keep it short and simple. You do not need long sentences. You do not need perfect grammar. Just a few clear words and the staff will understand you.
Short and simple. Remembering. I will remember that. That is the secret to ordering in English. Thanks, Amelia. I really feel much better about English now.
You are very welcome, Alec. I am always happy to help.
Oh, wow. Do you smell that?
Yes, I think our food is coming.
Here we are. One medium New York style with pepperoni and mushrooms.
Thank you very much.
And one small Chicago style with extra cheese and sausage.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
Enjoy your meal.
Wow, look at the size of my pizza. The slice is as big as my head.
I told you New York style was big. Remember, you have to fold it in half.
Okay, I am folding it in half like this. Oh my goodness. This is the best pizza I have ever had. The crust is thin but very crunchy. And the pepperoni is a little bit spicy.
I am so glad you like it. Let me try my Chicago style pie. There is so much cheese. It stretches out when I take a bite. It is very heavy, but so delicious.
Today was a great day. Thank you for bringing me here, Amelia.
Anytime, Alec. Let us finish our food and come back again soon.
Definitely. I cannot wait to order again. That was really fun.
Yes, it was. Now, let us enjoy this amazing pizza.
How was it?
I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the challenge question from the beginning one more time. What is the most famous pizza in America? Did you get it right? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. Writing complete sentences helps you practice real English output. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but practical tips for everyday situations. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video.
See you next time. Bye.